Do you sometimes struggle with things like finishing assignments on time, writing in English, understanding difficult topics, or finding ways to earn money online while studying? If you're a student, you probably know this feeling. You spend hours searching Google, reading long articles, and still feel confused. But what if I told you something interesting? Today, there is a free AI tool that can help you study faster, understand topics more easily, and even open opportunities to earn money online. That tool is ChatGPT. In this video, I will show you step by step how students can use ChatGPT to complete assignments faster, improve English writing, generate project ideas, and start simple online income opportunities. If you learn to use this tool properly, it can save you many hours every week. So, let's begin. Welcome to Growth AI Technologies. On this channel, we talk about how students and beginners can use AI tools for productivity, learning, and online income. Because the future will belong to people who know how to use AI effectively. If you want to stay ahead and learn practical AI skills, make sure to subscribe. Now let's start with the first part of this video, how ChatGPT can help you study smarter. Part 1. How ChatGPT helps in Study 1. Assignment. Help. Let's start with something every student experiences, assignments. Many students spend hours writing assignments. First, they search Google. Then they open different websites. Then they try to understand the topic. And finally, they start writing. This process can easily take 2 to 3 hours for a single assignment. But ChatGPT can simplify this process. For example, imagine you have a biology assignment about photosynthesis. Instead of searching multiple websites, you can simply open ChatGPT and type, "Explain photosynthesis in simple English for a university assignment." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a clear explanation. But here is something very important. You should never copy and paste directly. Instead, follow 3 steps. First, read the explanation carefully. Second, understand the concept. Third, rewrite it in your own words. This method helps you learn faster and avoid plagiarism. You can also ask ChatGPT to modify the content. For example, make this explanation shorter. Add examples to this explanation. Make this more academic for a university assignment. With these prompts, ChatGPT becomes like a personal study assistant. Instead of spending hours researching, you can understand the topic in 10-15 minutes. 2. Improve English writing. Another big challenge for many students in Bangladesh is English writing. Even if you understand a topic well, expressing it in English can be difficult. But ChatGPT can help you improve your writing. For example, imagine you write a simple sentence like this: "I am student of CSE. I want to improve my skill and future." You can paste this sentence into ChatGPT and ask, "Correct this sentence and make it professional." ChatGPT will rewrite it as something like, "I am a CSE student who wants to improve my skills and build a strong future." This simple improvement makes your writing more professional and clear. Students can use this for many things. For example, improving assignment writing, writing professional emails, improving CV descriptions, creating LinkedIn posts. Over time, when you see these corrections repeatedly, your English naturally improves. This makes ChatGPT a powerful learning tool, not just a writing tool. 3. Project ideas. Now let's talk about something very useful for students, especially CSE students: project ideas. Many students struggle to find good project ideas for semester projects, final year projects, research topics. Usually, they search Google for hours, but ChatGPT can generate ideas instantly. For example, you can ask, "Give me 10 final year CSE project ideas using AI." Within seconds, you will get a list of ideas. For example, AI chatbot for university support, smart attendance system using face recognition, AI study assistant application, AI resume analyzer. Then you can go deeper. You can ask, Explain how to build project number 3 step by step. ChatGPT can then give you technology suggestions, development steps, features you can include. This saves massive research time, and it helps you start your project faster. Part 2. How to earn money using ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the part many students are interested in. How can ChatGPT help students earn money online? 1. Freelancing, writing. One of the easiest ways to start earning online is freelancing writing. Many businesses need written content. For example, blog articles, Facebook posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts. If your English is average but you use ChatGPT smartly, you can still create good content. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, write a product description for wireless headphones. Then edit and improve the content. Add your own touch, fix small details, then deliver to the client. Many beginners start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook freelance groups. At the beginning, the income may be small, but with experience, it can grow steadily. 2. YouTube automation. Another interesting opportunity is YouTube automation. Many YouTube channels today are created without showing a face. The process is simple. First, generate a script using ChatGPT. Second, convert the script into voice using AI voice tools. Third, use stock footage or AI visuals. Fourth, edit and upload the video. If you upload videos consistently, your channel can grow over time. Many creators start with faceless videos and later show their face once the channel grows. This is a long-term opportunity, not a quick money method. 3. Digital products. Another powerful opportunity is digital products. Digital products are things you create once and sell many times. For example, study planner PDFs, AI prompt guides, English improvement guides, CSE project idea ebooks. ChatGPT can help you generate the content for these products. You can organize the information and convert it into a PDF, then sell it through platforms like Facebook, Gumroad, your own website later. This creates passive income opportunities. Part 3. Important warning. Before we finish, there is something very important you should understand. ChatGPT is a tool. It is not magic. If you are lazy, ChatGPT will not make you successful. You still need to learn new skills, improve your knowledge, edit the AI output. Think critically. AI should be your assistant, not the replacement for your brain. The smartest students use AI to work faster and learn more. Conclusion. So in today's video, you learned how ChatGPT helps with studying, how it improves English writing, how to generate project ideas, and how students can start earning money online using AI. The most important step now is practice. Open ChatGPT today, try asking questions, experiment with prompts, and start learning. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment below, AI is my assistant, and subscribe to Growth AI Technologies for weekly AI tutorials designed for students. See you in the next video.